Do you have good leadership and decision-making skills? Are you good at motivating people? Do you enjoy working in a team environment? Then you may find a productive career as an operations manager. Operations managers direct and coordinate the operation of manufacturing, service delivery, and production departments in industrial, commercial, and government organizations. They also communicate important operations information to other business areas of an organization. To distribute the details of this career, we spoke with an operations manager working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Lindy and I am an operations manager. An operations manager coordinates between departments in a company, their daily activities, their productivity, their efficiencies, as well as managing staff. I'm an operations manager in a real estate company, so I do everything from monitoring the budget, taking care of financials, and make sure we have everything in stock. I do a ton of hiring. I'm also in charge of everything with compliance in our company, so making sure that we have our policies and procedures written and up to date. I do all of the training and development with our team. I also outsource new partnerships and build those relationships. When you aren't doing the buyer stuff, an operations manager can work in a variety of different companies, including, logistics, manufacturing firm, or a consulting firm. They can also work in transportation, distribution, or service industries. As an operations manager in a different industry, there could be definitely other things that someone could be involved in, including picking facilities that they may operate in, as well as planning the layout for those facilities. Other operation managers may manage logistics and supply chain or perform operational risk assessments. To be an operations manager, you have to carry a lot of different skills. Definitely being a leader, any sort of management position, you need to be able to lead a team. You definitely need a lot of attention to detail and good organization. You hold people accountable and make sure that they're getting things done. You would also definitely need to know how to problem solve. A lot of things come out throughout the day, as well as making decisions. You need to be a people person. You need to be able to manage staff and manage really big decisions, as well as be a very calm person that can work under pressure and work for people, as well as have people work for you. An average day for me, I do a lot of meetings. I meet with our staff, I meet with our leadership team. I do a lot of our business development, customer meetings. I send a lot of emails throughout the day, as well as a lot of phone calls. I work around 7 to 3 o'clock, as well as some on-call hours and a lot of overtime, as we're a small company. But in most operational manager positions, I would assume they'd be around an 8 to 4, 8:30 to 4:30, with a little bit of overtime. We're still selling lots of properties. To be an operations manager, you'll definitely need a computer as well as a cell phone. Definitely need to use different systems within that computer. One of the main tools we use is our customer relationship management system. So it's a database tool where we keep all of our contacts, our leads that come in, our current customers, spreadsheets and calendars, basically just everything that you would need in a regular office to function. There is no standard educational requirement to be an operations manager. The employers in some industries may require specialized courses. You can advance as an operations manager or definitely to more senior management positions within a company. Some people will move on and start owning their own company with the skills that they learned during their time as an operations manager. I'll review it for them. If somebody was interested in becoming an operations manager, I would definitely recommend that they do go and shadow somebody in that position of that type of company they're looking to work in. Operations manager is a pretty big job description as a whole, and each company will have different requirements. As an operations manager, the most satisfying thing I find is being able to see my team exceed their goals, their personal ones, the company ones, and excel in their positions. I am the most proud of the team that I've grown and how much I've grown as well.
To get into the workflow of this career, you need to have good negotiating and interpersonal skills. Attention to detail, adaptability, and good analytical skills are also important. If this sounds like you, then you might optimize your output in a career as an operations manager. Strategize about the details and find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including business continuity planner, traffic manager, or management consultant. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.